I am Marvilyn Blair, and I'm an attorney for the law office of Marvilyn E. Blair. And I practice general law. I do some simple wills, I do criminal defense, and I do civil litigation, mostly demand letters and wrongful terminations. Well, since April of 2019, I started my practice in North Carolina, and for the last a little over two it's been about two and a half years, I've been here in Texas with my license and accreditation. Well, I became an attorney because I wanted to advocate for those that can't advocate for themselves. But more importantly, when I was younger, 7 years old, we lived in a little home, and it was the first time. I grew up very poor, and so I didn't have a bed or bedroom until I was 7 or 6. And one day, it was the happiest time of my life as a child. And my dad came home one day from work and said, "We're moving." And I remember getting into the cab of the U-Haul and looking back and asking my dad, "Who bought our house?" And he said, "Oh, this old attorney bought it for his daughter. She needed a place." And something inside of me clicked. And I thought, so an attorney makes enough money that not only can they buy their own house, but they can buy somebody else's house. Well, I'm going to grow up, I'm going to become an attorney, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to buy this little house and buy back my happiness. So that's where it started anyway. I'm best at helping, surprisingly, with negotiations. I didn't realize that that was one of my gifts, but evidently it is. And I think also not only negotiations, but just navigating the legal system as a whole. I have a unique way of explaining it, I guess, that my clients really seem to appreciate. Okay, well, my research skills are really strong. And what I found that is my greatest strength is my ability, having grown up very poor and yet having the opportunity to go to law school and to become an attorney. I can talk to people on several different levels. They can give me a sentence when we're first talking and doing a client intake. And by the end of their sentence, I know at what level I need to talk to them. And it's instinctive. I can do that because it puts each client at ease. They feel comfortable. They feel like they're not being talked down to, and yet they feel like they're dealing with a competent attorney. Well, I not only have legal experience, but life experience. As a mother of 5 children, I was an advocate long before I became an attorney.